But we're here in Parry Street in Dunedin to celebrate the installation of this new asphalt plant that we've got. It's replacing an old one, so we've been on this site for over 20 years with an asphalt plant. The old plant could only produce about 25 tonnes an hour, but the new one behind us, that can produce about 140 tonnes an hour, and it's pretty exciting for us. The plant has actually been in another couple of sites. It's a movable project plant. So it did the runway at Queenstown Airport. It also did the Samoa Airport, Faleolo. When it was finished there, it was decided that we'd bring it here. So the teams that were involved in putting it up were some specialists from Oman, who are the manufacturers, and we had our own in-house engineers that took it down piece by piece, and then put it on boats and brought it over here, drove it to Dunedin and then put it back up in the same way. It brings us more capability to give more treatment options to our clients, produce a bigger range of materials, and it's also a more environmentally friendly plant. It's safer and it's more cost effective and efficient for us, so lots of benefits. Yeah, tonight we've got a job on the motorway just going out of Dunedin, and we're going to produce about 600 tonnes of UTA out of the asphalt plant. UTA is ultra thin asphalt, so it's laid really thin, so one truck of it goes a long way, so we're going to lay about 11,000 square metres. And what this will give us, it gives us the opportunity to do lots of asphalt. There's lots of asphalt on the network, so it gives us the opportunity to do bigger sites, get in and out quicker with a wider range of products.
Yeah, so the UTA paving process is pretty similar to any other paving process. You put the paver down and you pave it, apart from the fact that it is 20 mil thick and your rolling pattern is slightly different. Been described as a paver-laid chip seal, and if the screed were to drag, the crew would usually lift it up. In this case, it's probably in the right spot.
The ultra-thin asphalt has proved to be a high performer, and seeing that it's laid at about half the normal thickness, it's half the asphalt tonnage and provides a better whole-of-life cost than alternative mixes. So naturally, we're pushing for more of its use, especially with Downer's new production capability. And we're expecting to get about 15 years from this treatment. Using UTA on this project provides a number of benefits. The thin overlay depth means that we don't have to undertake milling, which creates a lot of waste from the construction site. In addition, as we don't have to undertake that milling, we've got more assurance that the pavement will retain its waterproofing, and we don't need to apply a membrane seal, so we're further reducing customer disruption. Finally, we can maintain barrier height compliance, which is really important on the southern motorway, where we have edge and median barriers. Downer's investment in the new asphalt plant in Dunedin has allowed us to provide alternative treatments that we weren't able to previously, and this project really hits the mark for both improved customer outcomes and value for money.